if you want to talk about what you're working on, if you want to talk about some new plugin you're trying out, if you want to talk about a bad experience with a client or something you think we need to consider or do better of, just share it. It's okay to share your personal life as well. Maybe you're cooking, maybe you're going on holiday, maybe you've bought a new car, just, anything new that's happening in your life, which isn't political and isn't going to divide people and make you lose customers or an audience. It's okay to share, because a lot of people think I'm going to be very business minded and I'm only going to share what I need to share for the good of my business. But they forget that you are the brand. Your business is a brand. It could be you, it could be the business, or it could be both or individual. It's okay to share your personal life because it's a brand, if it's you, because that shows that you're real. Often I see some people who post and everything is perfect. Like nothing ever goes wrong in their life. Everything is wonderful. Everything is a success. Everything is positive. Everything they achieve. There doesn't seem to be any downward trends or nothing that unsettles them. And I find that so fake, because life is not like that. Life throws curveballs. So when a curveball is thrown, share it. Let people know about it, because people often relate to it. And sometimes when a business sees that you had the same problem, but you overcame it, or you learned how to resolve a situation or handle the conflict or turn it around to make it work for you, they may want to come and approach you to work with them as well.